If your Samsung phone won't charge, it can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you rely on it for everyday tasks. There are many reasons why your phone might not charge, from minor glitches to more complex battery or software issues. Our videos will help you solve them step by step. We recommend using a professional Samsung troubleshooting tool to fix Samsung device issues. Below are 5 more tips to help you fix your device. But first, we'll recommend the best solution. DroidKit is designed to fix issues you might encounter with your Samsung device, such as a black screen or a stuck Samsung logo. It doesn't require root access and won't lose data. It can fix Samsung Galaxy charging issues in seconds. It can also address issues like forgetting your Samsung password and bypassing Samsung FRP lock. Firstly, download the latest version of DroidKit and install it on your computer. Then connect your device to your computer using a USB cable. Then click System Repair, and then hit Start to begin the repair process. Now follow the on-screen instructions to download the firmware and put your device into download mode if necessary. Now your Samsung device will then begin the actual repair process. DroidKit will complete the repair quickly. Now just wait a few moments. Now you can charge your device normally. Ensure that the outlet or power source you are using is working properly. Plug another device into the same outlet to verify power is working. Using a different official Samsung charger and cable can help check for any obvious damage to the charger and cable. Inspect the charging port on your phone for any debris or lint. Use a soft brush or gently blow into the port to remove any obstructions that may be preventing a proper connection. If your Samsung phone displays a lightning bolt but isn't charging, go to Settings. Then select the battery option. Now scroll down and find Diagnostics. Then tap Phone Diagnostics. Now scroll down to Wired Charging option. Then check if the cable is charging properly. If it is, go back and tap Battery Status. If the battery screen shows life, good, the battery is in good condition. Press and hold the power button. Then select Restart option. Now wait for your phone to restart. After restarting, check to see if the issue is resolved. Press and hold the power and volume down buttons until the shutdown screen appears. Now on the shutdown screen, tap and hold the power off icon until the Safe Mode option appears. Tap Safe Mode. In Safe Mode, connect your phone to a charger. If the phone charges normally, a third-party app may be interfering with the charging process. Uninstall apps one by one in Safe Mode to identify the culprit and resolve the issue. The above are the most comprehensive solutions to fix the Samsung phone not charging problem. If you find it useful, please like, comment, and subscribe to get more Android tips. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.